Ndemu no uguo githimi kiao kia mai ni ino hoti wa gukorwo na milioni 15 metric cubic meters. 15 million cubic liters is 15 billion liters of water. So nugo hoti uria ndemu inayo thaici mai maria mariho ni 7 billion liters of water. Nikuga ati ona umuthi uguo andu othe Mount Kenya mangi ukamataheo haha mundu rite mwe matingenina mai maria mariho ma yaihura ona mangitaha igire matingenina no mai ni maguteithiriria andu amwe nigetha mongerere urimi wao. Ti no uguo ikiambiririo rire yambiririo yabatirike mweri wa 8 mwaka uyu no project ni irarikire mweri wa 6 mwaka uyu koguo irarika kiruta mieri 2 kana mieri 3 mbere ni undu wa kurika mbere ri project ino uguo budget yayo yari bilioni 8 na milioni 8.2 billion na irarekire na 7.8 billion koguo hena milioni 400 ciratigarire hari project ino na riu mbeca icio ciguthie kuruta mawira mangi ma thirikari andu aria mangihota kurima kana migunda iria ingihota kurimika thaici Mwea ni eka 25,000 no riu twambiria kuhuthira ndemu ino tugukorwo na eka 35,000 35,000 tugakorwo na wongerereku wa eka 10,000 cia mucere na icio eka 10,000 cia mucere hamwe na iria ingi ciuma ho 25 igakorwo iguru woguo igakorwo cire na imera igiri hari mwaka.
To appreciate the different prayers that we've been with under the RDICC that have made it possible for us to deliver this project on time. Like the Secretary has said, it is a whole government approach, and we had a lot of support from all the agencies that were involved, and that's why we were able to deliver this project on time. So I want to thank everyone else that we brought on board, the support that you gave us, and MDS and SAGAS that enabled us to deliver this project. Secondly, I wanted to confirm that the support of the public here and the ownership of this project is 100%. The public are really excited about this project, and I know going forward they are going to support us even as they take over and even as we hand over to them, and they feel that they are part and parcel of this project. And I would ask government to continue giving us such projects in this region because we really need water.
Amwino ni guteithia andu ingi muno makiria ni kuongerera utonga wa arimi a mucere mita meri tondu tene turakoragwo na 10 billion uguo ni kuongerereka ciuke makiria na koguo ni kintu ndenda gucokia ngatho kuri mugathe president njoke nyongerere atiriri kwina andu ingi maratina magitumba guku makiugaga ati barabara ni cio tukuria kana ndamu ici ni cio tukuria ngwenda ndimere muthenya riwa riarite tondu utonga wonekaga ni undu wa andu kuthondekerwa environment njega ya kuhota kuonjorithia kana kurima uguo nigetha andu makagia mbeca koguo kuga barabara ni cio tukuria kana ndamu ni cio tukuria ngwenda kumera ndamu ni cio tukuria tondu ni environment ile tuthondekeirwo ni thirikari itu ya mugathe president nigetha tubote kuona utonga kubitukira urimi wa mucere.